evening, officer.
What are you guys doing?
Well,
smoking crack?
Not
How'd you
yet.
guys get this boat up here?
I didn't. I found it here.
Alright.
Careful, those are the
What
boxes.
are you guys doing up here?
Wait a
What are you guys
second.
doing up here?
This has been my house for about a year now.
And it's in the past. A damn vehicle! I fucking shot so many of those fuckers!
Hey, calm
guys have
down.
your
Calm
weapons on
down,
you?
Jimmy. No, I had my pocket knife, but it's upstairs. Whoa, officer, you don't have a warrant.
Sir, I don't need a warrant. You shouldn't be living up here.
Why not?
You guys don't own this property, am I correct?
It was left here.
Sir, you need to back away. Sir, come on.
I can't.
Alright, anyways, it was left here, it's abandoned, you shouldn't be living here. I need you guys to get on off, please.
But you don't know who
I
owns it.
think we'll stay up, sir.
Get on off for me, please.
But why? This is my house. I've been living here for about a year now. I have nowhere else to go.
Well, sir, this boat's going to be towed by tomorrow. Either be on here, or they're taking this boat away.
Toad!
Towed by what? Tugboat?
Oh,
Dude,
no, they're going to cut it right in half. They're going to take it off.
This
Part by
thing's
part.
been here for the longest time. They can't take it. I've
Get
had
off.
so many memories here. God dang it.
Come on, guys, you
Let
need
me
to get
go.
off, please.
I need to collect my belongings.
No.
My
Sir, you need to
belongings
get
are
off.
here.
I will collect your belongings.
You don't even know
need to
where
get off the
they
boat, please.
are. Jimmy,
Get off here,
Sir.
guys.
Jimmy, can
You
go
can either
get...
come back
Guys, if you
tomorrow.
don't get off
Every-
here, change.
Jimmy,
Sir, put the taser. Officer, put the taser down. We don't
Jimmy,
need to put the taser.
Jimmy,
Homeless man.
can you go get me my favorite teddy bear? It's upstairs.
No.
Please.
You guys can come back tomorrow. And the workers are gonna leave every belongings, any items left in a big box. You guys can come back tomorrow. Alright?
But...
And collect them.
This is my childhood house. Well, not really. I've lived here a year. I have so many memories of thinking about when I used to be a kid here.
Sir, we understand that. We need to just get on off though. We're not allowed that. This boat's being removed tomorrow, so we're just here to make sure that no one else is on here. So,
Oh, God.
is it just you two on here?
No, there's
only you two on the
also
boat?
Frankie, Tom, Earl, Cletus, Clyde, Jimmy.
Yeah, I
Oh,
will
wait, no,
look.
that's
I
Jimmy.
will look.
Alright, go
look
search
for
the
more
boat.
prison.
There's
person.
Billy, there's Jane, there's
check that.
Tommy,
Alright.
there's Christopher.
You two need to get off.
There's
Alright.
old Smelly Joe, and let's not talk about Stinky
I think
Dinky.
I'm staying up, sir.
No, you ain't staying. Get on off, please.
It's my boat now. Nobody came back for it, so it's mine now. When you were an infant, I was over there serving my country, and that's how you repay me.
There's no one else on this boat.
Yeah, did you
No
check
one else?
downstairs?
These are the only two ones. No, stay.
What are you aiming
Go
a
back
taser
to your
at me for?
pal.
You gotta check downstairs.
Go back with your pal. Go back to your place.
Hey,
Come on,
that's kind of
get on off the
racist.
rest.
Okay, fine.
Sir, please don't walk into this.
So,
Sir,
officer,
please
go
stay
grab
back.
him. Just go grab him.
My childhood
I'm
home.
gonna handcuff him. Okay.
I
Sir,
find my bottle down here. I left the whole thing of whiskey somewhere around here.
Go on, get on out of here.
What
Hey,
the
don't.
fuck is going on? Get your fucking hands
Oh,
off me. What
weapon.
are you doing to my friend, asshole?
Help me, Jimmy!
Stay
Jimmy! Jimmy!
What are you doing to my friend, you fucking
Jimmy!
asshole?
My
Leave him alone.
house! My
Racist.
house! You took
Fucking
my
racist.
house from me.
Sir, calm down.
No, you took my house.
Goddamn
you
racist
scumbag.
asshole. Let me go.
You took my house. You took everything from me.
Where's the stairs for this thing?
Took it all. You
Ooh,
took it
let's-
all.
Knife, you got a knife.
You
Oh,
took it
shit.
all. Took it all. I'm taking your pistol.
Move.
He-
Let's
he's
see your
out.
hands.
No, you're not taking my house.
Sir, you'll be shot. Where are you?
Leave me alone. Oh,
Suspect down. Request.
Jimmy. Oh, I need you. They took the house, Jimmy. Please, somebody help me. They're taking me hostage. Help me! Sir, in the orange.
Just go
I'll
into
pay
this.
you! I'll pay you!
Just
I'll
go.
pay you handsomely!
Down. Whoever's left of the vehicle, I swear to God.
I'll pay you as much money as I
Hey,
have.
stop. I'm moving.
Tell him to uncuff me, please. I'll pay you so much money. You have no idea.
Hey, no.
Tell him to
The gun
uncuff
away.
me. I need to be uncuffed.
Put the gun away.
Here.
Hey, yo, let that man. Oh, God.
Jimmy!
Hey, where'd the cameraman go? There
Jimmy,
you
I
are.
told
Here,
you.
watch this.
No, I told you not
Watch
to take
this,
the drugs.
motherfucking boggos. Yeah, fucking foot hurts.
Jimmy!
My foot hurts. There we go.
Jimmy, I told you not to do that, Jimmy.
It's alright, don't worry about it, Ken. Don't worry about it. Did you get that?
Nope.
Did you get that?
God
What
dang
a
it,
fucking
Jimmy.
loser.
Now you
Let's
gotta make him do it again.
do it again.
God dang
Let's
it,
do it
Jimmy.
again.
No,
We got
Jimmy.
the whole
I'm just
shot.
holding it. Okay.
Hey, watch this. Watch this. Really
Don't do
watch
it,
this.
Jimmy. Jimmy, no.
Oh!
You idiot.
Are you looking to
Did you
get slapped
seriously die? Holy Jesus.
I got revenge. Punched that bitch down the street. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. hey. Wait, watch this. Domino.
Holy sh.
Jimmy.
Hey,
He's
we
coming
can do
back.
bad, cocksucker. Huh?
Jimmy. Jimmy, no.
Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, I hope that cop didn't just realize what I just did.
Oh, look. Here comes. Is this the same one? Oh, every time it's the same one. That's it. You're out of here. Home run.
Clean up your act, bitch.
And slam dunk. You're back for some more. Well, 2 strikes and you're out of here.
Alright,
Hey,
my
your
turn,
turn, your turn.
Hold on. Ready? Alright, I get my ready. He fell out of the car.
Dang it, Jimmy. Let's do this side. Oh, God, my back. Oh, Jesus, Jimmy.
Oh, dude, I almost knocked that
Back for more.
fucker up.
Oh.
Hey, put all your back into that one.